Hi there! In this video, we're going to cover how to connect Jira to Google Sheets and create reports with live data. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple projects and struggling to keep track of everything in real time, this tutorial is for you. By connecting Jira to Google Sheets, you can streamline your workflow, monitor project progress, and create reports that update live, giving you up-to-the-minute insights. This integration can be a game changer for project managers, team leaders, and anyone keen on improving their project management efficiency. So, let's dive right into it and get you set up. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open a Google Sheets spreadsheet. You can choose to start with a new sheet if you're setting this up for the first time, or use an existing one if you already have a setup in mind where you'd like your Jira data to appear. Once you have your Google Sheets open and ready, take a look at the menu bar located at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to click on Extensions. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to select Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. This will direct you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially a treasure trove of various plugins designed to enhance the functionality of your Google applications. Now that you're in the Google Workspace Marketplace, it's time to find the add-on we need. In the search bar, type Jira Cloud for Sheets and press Enter. You should see the add-on appear in the search results. Click on it and follow the prompts to install it. The installation process is generally straightforward, but make sure you pay attention to the permissions that are requested during the setup. Accepting these permissions is crucial for the add-on to function properly, as it needs access to sync data between Jira and Google Sheets. Once the installation is complete, head back to your Google Sheet. Click on Extensions once more, and now you should see Jira Cloud for Sheets listed as one of the available options. Select it, and this is where the exciting part begins. You're going to see a Connect button, which you'll click to link your Jira account with your Google Sheets. Be sure to have your Jira login details nearby, as you'll need them to authorize this connection. After you've successfully connected your Jira account, a sidebar will appear in your Google Sheet. This sidebar, known as the Jira Cloud for Sheets sidebar, will serve as your control center for importing Jira issues directly into your spreadsheet. In this sidebar, you can customize how and what data is imported by specifying a JQL query or using any saved filters you might have. JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language, allows you to filter issues based on various criteria, such as project, issue type, assignee, and much more. This level of customization ensures that you only bring in the data that is most relevant to your needs. Once you've set your criteria for importing, the final step is simple. Click on Get Issues Now, and you'll see your selected Jira issues populate directly into your Google Sheet. What's fantastic about this setup is the live data connection. This means your Google Sheet will update automatically, providing you with real-time insights into your project status and progress. By following these steps, you'll find managing your projects with live data from Jira in Google Sheets is not just possible, but incredibly efficient and time-saving. So don't hesitate to integrate Jira with Google Sheets to transform how you create reports and manage data. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to connect Jira to Google Sheets and create reports with live data. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.